My name is Michael Rutledge. I'm a physician assistant with NGPG Orthopedics. I'm originally from Arkansas. I've been living here about 12 years before I moved to Maine. I'm just now back. I went to school here. I did my undergrad at UNG. I went to PCOM for PA school, and I did all my clinical rotations here. What drew me to orthopedics was that I get to see real patient benefit in quality of life, in activities, in their pain quality over a very acute, immediate period of time. The role of a PA with an orthopedic surgeon is very collaborative. We are together in clinic. We follow a lot of our own patients. We see them preoperatively. We are in the operating room with the surgeon, and we follow them postoperatively. Outside of work, I am an avid woodworker. I play a lot of guitar. I'm an avid painter. I ski and snowboard in the wintertime, and I'm on the lake in the summertime. I do a lot of hiking.